In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set fields to hidden in a Smartsheet form. By the end, you'll know exactly how to hide fields you don't want respondents to see while still keeping those columns active in your sheet for your own tracking and workflows. Start by opening your form in the editor, the place where you build and adjust the form layout. Make sure you're viewing the form itself, not the sheet, so you can select individual fields. In the form editor, click the specific field you want to hide. This could be something like an internal status, a tracking code, or any column that you use for behind-the-scenes purposes and don't want submitters to change or even see. As soon as you click the field, look to the right side of your screen. You'll see a panel that shows the settings for the field you selected. This panel is where you control how the field behaves on the form. Find the option that lets you mark the field as hidden. It's typically a simple toggle or button. Turn that option on. When it's enabled, the field will no longer appear to anyone filling out the form, but it will still exist in your sheet and can still be used for calculations, automations, and reporting behind the scenes. A quick note on why this is helpful. Hiding a field prevents confusion for your respondents. They won't be prompted to enter data you intend to control yourself. It also keeps sensitive or internal-only columns out of public view. Just remember that hidden fields aren't meant for collecting input from people. They're ideal for storing values you manage, such as defaults, system-generated information, or data populated later through your processes. Once you've turned on the hidden setting for the field, take a moment to confirm the change in the panel. Then, save your form. Saving is essential. If you don't save, the field will remain visible the next time someone opens the form. After you save, your form is ready to use as usual, and the hidden field will be invisible to respondents while remaining fully functional in your sheet. If at any point you need that field visible again, simply return to the form editor, click the same field, and switch off the hidden option in the right-hand panel, then save. That's all there is to it. With this simple adjustment, you keep your form clean and focused, protect internal data, and streamline submissions without sacrificing the power of your underlying sheet.